This ko sa just guess ay. What bro? This is Benini. Banana. This one is apple. Apple. And okay. RFH, good night, my friend, okay? Apple is apple. Sisir, RFH, good night. Have another one. You are 20, it's not 40. My goodness. This, I don't know in English. Diane, hi, shut up, Diane. Must wake up early in the morning. Oh, for suhoor. Yeah. Start Ramadan. Tomorrow for you. Okay, guys, this, I don't know in English, guys. In Philippine is balimbing. Balembeng. I don't know in English, see this. What is the English this? Koan, Mustafa. What is the English of this? Yeah, tomorrow, AF, you are Indonesia. Yeah, RFH is from Indonesia. Tomorrow start her Ramadan. Sisi Ramadan Karim. Ramadan Mubarak, my friend. RFH. I forgot this fruits. I like it, this one. If you eat like crunchy, this. And watermelon. Watermelon, guys. Chinese melon. Chinese melon, yeah, this one. Finish. I want to eat grapes. I have also juice. You put juice here or put water if what you want, and click this one and the water is coming here. If you want to drink this one. You know how collection of Michael Jackson Hate and Song or Mini Amazing Dress. Amazing sister, very cute. Habichi. AutoCAD, hi, shout out AutoCAD. Tomorrow I put just this because now it's night, guys. I afraid to come outside. Yeah, just AutoCAD, shut out. Your face is very sad. I want to sleep now. I will end now, okay? Guys, I will end now, guys, okay? AutoCAD, my friend, thank you so much, okay, for staying here. Teach of Islam, thank you. RFH, and thank you for giving super chat for me.